Hey you guys, it's me. I am Chrissy Pooh. I'm back with another video. So this video is going to be on how to apply your lashes. I have a lot of customers who ask me that, so hopefully this will bring a little bit of insight on that. So let's get started. If you are wondering about my hair, I did do a crimp video on this, linking what I use to crimp my hair and everything. So definitely go check that video out. But this is my brand hair, the Coquette collection. This is an 18-inch closure and 3 bundles of 20-inch. So definitely go check that video out. So let's clip this back because it's annoying me a little bit. If you wonder where I'm looking, I'm just looking in the mirror trying to figure out where I'm putting stuff at and what I'm doing. Okay. So let's get that out the way. I actually like it better like this. It's actually cuter. Okay, so the lashes that I am going to use today is Exotic. And this is my brand lashes at the Coquette collection. My logo cute, you guys. I actually rebranded, so it's not going to be that logo anymore. But these are the lashes. These are my 8D mink lashes, and like I said, the style Exotic. So I have 3D and 8D minks. I'm also going to do a video on all the lash styles that I have because I do wholesale also. So definitely go check my website out, which I will link down below, and also I'll have across the screen. But yeah. So, all right. So this is like a kind of like up close. I really have a problem with like looking at the camera, so don't pay me no mind. So like there, need to gloss it up. I'm a nut, y'all, so don't pay me no mind. If y'all hear something in the background, that's just the TV. I'm hoping that I'm loud enough and everything. So I feel like something that a lot of people don't tell you during these like how-to videos, especially like lash, well, that's what I'm talking about, lash videos, is that you have to fit the band to your eye length. A lot of the times I just like kind of cut mines off of knowledge, so I just know that this long lash band is not going to fit my eyelash. These are my tweezers. And these are just like regular tweezers that my vendor has sent me. She usually sends me some with like my bulk lash orders. And this is how the lash looks. I've actually never worn these. I usually wear my 3D lashes in the style bougie because I just absolutely love those. But it'll definitely be interesting to see how these will look on me. So, here. These like, I feel like the difference between 3D and 8D lashes is like the 8D is just like really like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just more fuller, more bigger, just like, it's definitely a dramatic look type of lash. And so I feel like, I'm looking for my scissors, but I feel like, I don't even know what I was about to say anymore. But anyway, so hold on, you guys. I'm trying to get myself together. So usually what I do is, maybe you can't see it. So usually what I do, oh gosh. All right, is so I usually, this is how I have it. So I usually cut off like this, like, I guess like this last part of the lash. Like, so in between like the flared out part of the lash, I usually cut that. So I'm gonna cut off this end part. I'm sorry if y'all like getting a glare from my backdrop. So I usually cut off that part and leave like, you know, that much of my lash on there. Okay. And the lash glue that I'm using, and this will be in my Amazon faves video that I did. Like my favorite things that I order from Amazon because I order from them all the time. But this is Star Glue, and this, in my opinion, is like the best lash glue. But then again, my opinion doesn't really count because this is the only lash glue I've really tried. So, um, okay, so I ain't putting nothing on yet. I'm just like trying to position my lash right. Okay, you guys. So what you will do is put a thin strip of lash glue on here. Ooh, that's a thin. I don't know what I just did. All right, like y'all see that? Okay, so one of my tips for doing this is you definitely have to wait until the lash glue gets tacky. Like if you don't wait until it's tacky, then girl, like it's drying so much faster than what it normally does. I feel like it's trying to be smart because I'm doing a video. I guess that's its way of telling me to shut up and just do it. So I use my hands to kind of do the front part. Now y'all see that I got a little messy right there, right? All right, y'all see that? Wait, help if I look at the camera. All right, wow. Can you say in love? Like, and that's the thing about my lashes, yo. Like, they surprise me so much because I swear, like, the way that they be looking in the packaging is not how it look once it's on my eye. I don't know whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I love these. Like, it reminds me, like, a flared out look of bougie. And this was not what I was expecting with how they look. What is these, exotic? Definitely. Y'all, do y'all see this? Y'all see how pretty these look? Oh my gosh. Alright, let's move on to the next eye. I don't want to mess with it too much because for some reason my eye goes a little crazy. Especially when I put on like makeup and freaking lashes. Girl, these little eyes be going off on me, okay? I really think like when I be applying my makeup, I probably like do it too, like generously near my eye. But yeah, so same thing over here. I'm using my hands. It's just easier. Don't mind my nails. You know what's crazy? It's like I literally just went and got these done, and I feel like I need a filling already. But yeah, so I cut off the last one. But definitely measure your eye. I'm just going based off of the fact of in the past, like this was, you know, good for me just to cut off like one little length of the, like, one little piece of the eyelash. Like, I'm sorry if I'm just horrible at explaining stuff. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. But yeah, always measure your eye first. Make sure the glue gets tacky. Not too tacky like I did. Oh, sorry. And you're good to go. But definitely, y'all, like, this is really some good glue. Star glue. I get the one in dark. I think it comes in white, but it still dries down clear, the other one. But I get this in dark. And I got a box. I can't remember how many came in it, but I'll put a link in the description box for the glue. But like I said, I'm going to do Amazon favorites video, so it'll definitely be on it because I absolutely love this glue. This is my second time ordering, but the pack that it came in, this is my first time ordering a pack of it. The first time I ordered, I think I ordered it in like a 2-pack, but this one came in like, it had to been like at least 5 or more in there. But like I said, I'll link it in the description box. But like, I really think this glue is just showing off today because I swear it felt Like, when I be doing this any other time, I feel like I'm sitting there for about 5 minutes trying to get my glue to get tacky. Like, it's really playing with me today because it's on point. Okay, now it's acting up. But yeah, you guys, definitely check out my lashes and Style Exotic. They are bomb.com. And like I said, I wholesale, ladies. I wholesale. You want to start that business? Come on. Or if you want some bulk lashes, come on with it. You want lash for every day. Come on. Oh, okay. Now, let me stop talking stuff. I'm mad because, like, I don't want to block y'all from seeing me. Okay? Alright, so you just put, okay, try to put that down a little bit first. Because it does get in the way. And drop it down on there. Alright, you guys. It's on there. Oh. Am I getting it? Y'all see me getting it? Try your best to get it as low as you can, because I freaking suck at it. Like, absolutely suck at putting lashes on. Like, I really do. And one thing I hate about when you put lashes on and one looks different from the other one, because of like the positioning that you put it in, it feels a little weird. Yo. Alright. So this is usually the point in which some people put mascara on their yes, honey. But this is the point where people usually put mascara on their to blend your natural lash with the mink lashes or the falsies, whatever they're using. But I'm not gonna do that. Like, I normally don't do that because I just feel like it's kind of pointless. But yeah, definitely. So I have I have exactly 22 styles of lashes on my website. Check out the link. But 22 different styles on my website, definitely. If you want bulk, let me know. So the way that you will order it is so you would select a lash and how many you want. But then either I will contact you or feel free to contact me, letting me know that you purchased it or whatever, and which styles and how many of each style that you want. So definitely put in your correct information, like email and phone number, so that if I do have to contact you for that reason, definitely put in the correct information. But that's it, you guys. We done got the lashes on. I hope you do as good as I did. Mine is letting the glue dry. I'm trying to tell y'all, like, oh my gosh. So, like this video, comment anything you would like to know, or girl, anything. Any type of feedback is wonderful. If you got a new way for me to put my lashes on, definitely comment that down below. Like, put your girl on to some new things. All right, so like my page. I said like my page. Oh, God, you get it. Like my video, comment down below, and definitely subscribe and click the bell if you want some post notifications, because your girl will be dropping some gems. She will be dropping some good things. So bye, you